Welcome back, children. Yes, a recap. We completed till that Joe farmer in the USA. So the lesson over. Now a small recap about this lesson. Okay, fourth chapter in geography for you, that is agriculture. Now listen the recap. Okay, what is agriculture? Agriculture, also called farming or husbandry, is the cultivation of animals, plants, fungi and other life forms for food, fiber, biofuel and other products used to sustain human life. Okay, children? So what is agriculture? Is the definitions, and in your book that they give. And what is agriculture? The word agri means soil and cultivation means and culture means cultivation. Okay. Yes. Then before it, the transformation from raw material to finished products, there are three economic activities are involved. That is primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. The primary sectors including that directly are taken from the nature. For example, agriculture and mining. Okay. The secondary sectors, it's turned the raw material from that is the primary sector to finished products the secondary sector is doing. Then the tertiary sector helps both, supports the primary sector and the secondary sector. Okay. Here, see, farming. The farming in the world is divided into two. That is subsistence farming and commercial farming. Okay, that subsistence farming again classified into intensive farming, primitive farming. Okay, that from primitive farming is shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Okay, yes. Then commercial farming is commercial grain, mixed farming, plantation, agriculture. These three include the commercial farming. Okay, dears, do you understand what is subsistence farming? Yeah. Here, subsistence farming. Subsistence agriculture is self-sufficiency in farming in which the farmers focus on growing enough food to feed themselves and their families. Here, size of farm, small farm. Manual labor works mostly the family members with the help of simple farming tools and animals. We saw in the Munalal case study. Yes, no? Yes. Then, intensive subsistence. The farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. More than one crop is grown annually on the same plot. As the climate is favorable and the soil is fertile. If the soil is fertile and the climate is favorable, means that persons can grow more than one crop per year. Then rice is the main crop. Other crops include wheat, maize, pulses and oil seeds. Then intensive subsistence agriculture is prevalent in the thickly populated areas. That means practiced in thickly populated areas of the monsoon regions of South, Southeast and East Asia. Now subsistence. Then commercial farming. Yes, commercial means only for business. Okay. Yes, commercial farming. Commercial farmers produce their crops to sell them in the marketplace. Commercial farming types include mixed crop and livestock farming, ranching, dairying and large scale grain production. Then plantation farming is a form of commercial farming mainly practiced in developed countries. Okay children, do you understand? Yes. Now you understand about the subsistence farming and commercial farming. Okay. Subsistence farming means only the farmers produce themselves and for their families. Okay. Here they are using manual labor works and small simple farming tools. Commercial means producing their crops to sell them in the marketplace. Mainly practiced in less developed countries in the USA area. It's in large scale grain production. Okay, and mixed farming also following in those areas. Then primitive, that is subsistence, is divided into two, that is intensive and primitive. Here in the primitive we can see the nomadic and shifting. Okay, that is called primitive. Okay, here nomadic herding. Herders move from one place to another with their animals for fodder and water. Sheep like animals like sheep, camel, yak and goats are most commonly reared. Then practiced in the semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara. Examples of the nomadic Bodias and Gujars of the India. Okay, Gujars in Gujarat. Okay, of the country. Then subsistence farming already we can see. Intensive subsistence farming is practiced to meet the needs of the farmer family. Subsistence farming further classified, that is intensive, primitive. Here definition of shifting cultivation. Okay, we saw that nomadic herding, and you can see now definition of shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation, also known as slash and burn agriculture. Okay, this is called slash and burn agriculture. Is an agricultural system that involves clearing a section of land and using it for farming activities for relatively short time before abandoning it. Okay, yes, wait, I will explain you what is shifting. That is shifting cultivation. It is a place in the thickly forested areas of Amazon basin, tropical Africa, parts of Southeast Asia and Northeast India. These are the areas of heavy rainfall and quick regeneration of vegetation. Okay children, quick regeneration. The vegetation quickly growing in those areas. So the tropical areas is very good for that. Equatorial area also. A plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. The ashes are mixed with the soil and crops that make the soil fertile. Okay, and crops like maize, yam, potatoes and cassava are grown. After the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned. That means the land is not good for cultivation, so it is abandoned. Okay. And the cultivator moves to a new plot. Shifting cultivation is also known as slash and burn. Okay. Yes. Next, intensive subsistence. There we saw subsistence and nomadic and shifting. Now you see the intensive subsistence farming. Aims at maximum possible production on limited farmland. Caters the need of the farmer's family and local market. Okay, so intensive they are using, and also they are using for themselves, and also they are selling their products in the local market. Then small land holdings, preliminary mechanization. doing in the thickly populated areas. In our country, the regions Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan are practicing the intensive subsistence farming. What are the crops are grown in this type? In this type, the farmers grown the wheat, rice and millets. Okay. Yes, then next, primitive subsistence farming, also called juhuming or shifting agriculture, also called slash and burn agriculture. It is practiced in the backward areas by tribal people. Primitive tools are used, not environment friendly. Why it is not environment friendly? What are the disadvantages in the primitive, that is shifting agriculture? Because it creates the air pollution. Okay? Yes, you should know about the disadvantages of the shifting cultivation. Now at last, what is called organic farming? Okay, it is a form of agriculture that employs only natural methods such as crop rotation, green manure, biological pest control and mechanical cultivation for getting higher yield. It does not rely on chemical fertilizer or pesticides and hence does not degrade the quality of soil. Organic means they are using only the crop rotation method, green manure they are using, biological pest control. Okay children, so now we completed the types of farming. Okay, that is the subsistence farming, commercial farming, intensive subsistence farming. In the primitive farming, we are seeing the shifting agriculture and nomadic herding. Okay, now you want to listen about the important food crops that's grown in our country. Rice, kharif crop, wheat, rabi and millet. There are three types of millet: jowar, bajra and ragi is grown in our country. Then maize also one of the important crops grown in our country. And what is the difference between the subsistence farming and commercial farming? Before it, we can listen that beverages, coffee and tea also grown in our country, and fiber crops like jute and cotton also the major crops produced by our India. Now, differences between the subsistence farming and commercial farming. It is practiced on small patches, but commercial farming practiced on a large scale. Here subsistence farming depends on irrigation. Here in the commercial, irrigation facilities are available. Then primitive tools are used. Here modern technology is used. In the subsistence farming, production is low. In the commercial farming, production is high. Here subsistence farming, no costly fertilizers are used. Here chemical fertilizers are used. Then family members provide as a labor, but laborers are hired. Only cereals and other food crops are grown. Here commercial crops are grown. Okay dears? Yes, that's it. We completed the lesson. Here I am giving the question and answers. Children, for this question and questions, you have to find the answers in your book and write it in your CW. Okay? What is agriculture? What is plantation agriculture? What is shifting cultivation? What are its disadvantages? List any 5 differences between the farm in India and the one in USA. Differentiate between the primary activities and tertiary activities. What is an intensive agriculture? Where in the world is it carried on? Okay dears, we completed the lesson. For this questions you have to give the answer for me through your assignment area in Google Classroom. Okay dears, thank you. Bye. Take care.